Hi, you're with Gordy and the Clam at the Axis of Epic. And today we're answering your electric biking questions, as per usual. So I've got an interesting one from Rudy. Rudy writes, "Dear Axis of Epic, you guys are epic!" Thanks, Rudy. Hey, but he wants to know, how many folding electric bikes can you fit in a Honda Jazz? That's quite specific.
Question. Yeah.
Well, Rudy, we do have a lot of electric bikes. The only thing that we do need now is the Honda Jazz. So, if you've got a Honda Jazz, then you'll know that it's a very small car, can be quite big inside. The only people who care are people who already have a Honda Jazz. I'm going to put the seats down. Let's get the show on the road. Let's get ready to rumble. Let's start with the one, a micro folding electric bike. Now this retails for $2,190. This is for people who want a very, 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 very small electric bike, a suitcase sort of style. Okay, they all fold in a similar way. First the pedals go in, this just goes out, and that goes around, this scooches around like that. This goes down, and for this one, you turn it around like this. Very compact. This little thing in the middle goes out and around you go. There's the one. Okay. Now I'm just going to scooch this just in here. I might put that seat back a fraction. Oh, that's it. Okay. Not to worry. It's a small bike. We should be right. That's one bike in. Fairly epic start. Okay. Next we have the Railu Urban. This is a very compact electric bike, so pedals in. This retails for $17.90. Works for a very tall person, like a 6'5", or an under 5-footer. Just the way it's kind of set up. So handlebars down, pedals in, little scooch thing goes up, and around we go. All right, in we go with the Rilu Urban. Gonna have to do a bit of scooching. Don't want to hurt the Jazz, of course. All right, we're in. Next, we have the Mighty Earth TX20, our most popular folding bike. Currently on sale for $16.90. Got a nice upright riding position, 13 amp hour battery. It wouldn't be a folding electric bike video without a TX20 in it. They kind of all fold the same, all good stuff. Okay, in we go with the TX20, number 3. Okay, next we're going to do the Smartmotion E20. We had this on sale for $19.90. Our pedals are already in on this one, that's kind of convenient. Scooch this out. That goes down. This is an 11.6 amp hour battery. Very handsome little bike. This goes forward, out. I want to put that seat down all the way. When you're fitting a lot of electric bikes in a car, you've got to make the most of all the space and the compactness of the bike. There we go. Okay, in we go, the Smartmotion E20. That's number 4. There you go. Now, next we're going to do the NCM Paris Plus. I'm going to take the battery out of this one. This battery will be going in the car because there's no point having electric bikes without batteries, but it does make it a bit lighter. Now, there's the Paris Standard, which we do for $17.90, but this is the Paris Plus. 21 amp hour battery. Very popular with the caravan people. The Paris Plus. Just fold that. Up we go. Ready to put in the Jazz. Okay. In with the Paris. What are we up to? Is this 5?
I think so.
Okay, next we have another Railu. This is their new folding bike, the Railu Nomad. They're very happy with it, and I can see why. It's absolutely gorgeous. 14 amp hour battery. It's got this battery nicely integrated into this frame. 2390 for the Nomad. A very sweet folding bike. Oh, check out the tyres. Oh, feel that girth and that loveliness. Oh, yes. Everyone likes a nice girthy tyre. All right, let's fold her up. Around we go. Here we go with the Nomad. What are we up to? Is this 6?
6? Yeah.
Okay, we're running out of room, but we've got 6. Getting fairly epic. Oh, you're back with us, that's nice. Okay, next we're going to do this air. On sale for $12.90, 10 amp hour battery, 10.4 I think. Gonna put this seat way down. Kickstand. And in we go. This is starting to get a bit tight in the old jazz. Might just scooch this up there like that. I might put that over another bike. Anyway, let's see how we go with this air. Okay, Houston, we have a problem. We're not going. We're going to have to do some rearranging. No, I don't think it's going to go, Clamp. I'm going to try it from the other direction. The reason why we do this is so you don't have to. Imagine having to do this. Okay, we've got to get that door closed. No, I don't think we're going to make it. We're not going to make it. I'm not being silly about this, like I'm not going to put one in the driver's seat because the car's still going to be drivable. Okay, we're going to have to stop and think for a sec. We'll be back after these messages. Oh, hi, just while that's being sorted out, I should just mention we do have quite a few other folding bikes. Let's have a quick squeeze. Yeah, so there's the Earth Antebike with the 4-inch tyres, my personal favourite, $2,890. The little KJ cycle folding electric bike for $1,090. And the Earth TX23 in various colours, including British Racing Green. Like this. Only partially folded. Got the cardboard. Oh, do you want to reach through and try and grab the other end of that clamp? Oh, so close. You got any more?
Yep.
I think we're in. We're in. Fairly epic. That's 7 electric bikes in the jazz.
There's only this much room left.
Yeah. Okay, well, there you go. 7 electric bikes, 7 electric folding bikes will fit in a Honda Jazz. But I want more. Let's chuck a scooter in.
Yeah.
Grab that scooter. Fold her in and chuck it in.
And here we have the e-scooter.
Okay. We're just going to chuck this on the top somehow.
Maybe in here.
Okay, I think we're in. 7 electric bikes and 1 scooter. Not bad.
Pretty good.
If we had more scooters, I'd chuck more scooters, but we're not about the scooters, we're about the electric bikes. Now, it is important, the car is still drivable. So there's no point, I mean, I could put a bike in here, but what's the point? You won't be able to drive. So the true test is it drivable? Let's see. Yeah.
Scooching.
Not so squeezy, as they say. 7 electric bikes, 1 scooter, all electric in the Jazz. Nice and tight, like a tiger. I guess you're wondering what's the point of this. The point is, if you come to the Electric Bike Superstore, you can ride any of these bikes, you can buy any of these bikes. We have a huge range of folding electric bikes. Until next time, before we go, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to stay epic. So from us to you, stay gold.